Today is day 359 of web development. It is also Wednesday, July 13th, 2022. And today, well, recently I've been working with SVGs, right, and automations and such. And so I kind of want to do the same thing I did in day 357, but with another icon. And I'm going to try to see if I can do it with some like icon I found over here in Figma. I don't know if it's possible because I think it has more than just a path. So I'll see if I can do it. If not, then I'll just get like a random icon from a page and try to do it that way. Okay. So so I'm just gonna get a copy. Why is it okay? I get a copy of this. And then oh wait. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the icons and I think I'm going to get the first one. I'm going to select it and then I'm going to go down here and export as an SVG and export that. And so now it should be exported. And then I'll go to, oh, it's opened. Okay. So I'm just going to select it, go inside here, find it. I'm going to move it to my desktop or have a folder and put that in here because I'm trying to get the code for the SVG and I can't do that if I just open it up. So if I go to VS Code, and I have the folder opened up here. When I went to open folder, I opened my SVG folder, and now this is the tick SVG code, and it's a lot, which is why I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. I just wonder why is it? Am I sure? Why is it like that? Oh, okay. So I'm gonna copy that, and then I'm just going to go over here. Actually, never mind. I'll do that later. So I'm gonna go here, dark type HTML, my HTML tags, and then my body tags, and then I'm going to just paste the SVG in there inside the body tags, and it should appear over here. Okay, so that's the icon. So I want to, let's see, let me think. I want it to be inside kind of a box. So I'll go and put it inside a div and call it container. And then I'll go all the way down and put the closing tag for the container. All right, and then what I'll do is I will give the body, or actually the container, I'm just gonna give it a background so I could actually see it for now. Background of, I don't know, pink. And then I want it to be centered, so I'll do display flex for the body so that the container is centered, right? So, and then I'll justify the content center so that does it horizontally, and then align item center will center it vertically, but then I have to give it a height, so I'll do maybe 90 vertical height of the screen, which is VH. And then that's that, and then I want this to have maybe a padding of 80 pixels and have a border radius of 20 pixels. And then I'll do that, and then maybe the body can be like, can have a background of D3, 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 and then this can have a background of that. All right, and then let me see. So I want it to kind of be an animation, and so I'll try to see if this works. If I go back up here to CSS, I mean to the HTML, there's actually multiple paths, so that's great. Oh, Jesus. Which one is this one? If I move this to 10, which one changes? So okay, this is gonna be hard. I don't think this is even possible because it's like, it's made up of different paths. I don't think that's gonna be possible. Hmm. Um, maybe what I can do, so I don't know. I mean, it is possible. I'm not. It's gonna be tedious, so I'm not gonna do that. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna do something else. I'll probably just do like an animation maybe on the whole thing. Actually, I could do that, yeah. For the SVG itself, um, I can give it an ID of icon, and then I could just go here and give it an animation property of no, it's not animation property, it's animation name. But then actually no, because I don't want it to I don't want to use keyframes. So I'll do a transition instead because I want to transition a certain property. Let's see if that will work. So it's going to be visibility, and then the transition duration is going to be, I don't know, 2 seconds. And then I'm going to set the visibility to hidden for now. And I want this to happen so I'll do icon hover, and then I'll do visibility set to visible. But then I won't be able to hover over the icon if it's hidden. So what does this even mean? Um, Let me see. Transition property, transition duration, the visibility set to hidden. So maybe it's not when I hover over the icon, but I hover over the container, maybe? There we go. Oh, there it is. And then it disappears, or no? It does. So with the transition, or I guess I don't know if it's a transition thing or is it an SVG thing if I do any like animations on SVGs or transitions that they disappear after, but that's what that is. And it lasts 2 seconds, right? So that's it. And then I could also do transition timing function, I believe is a thing. And then I could also do maybe ease. I don't know if it's ease in or ease. I don't even know. Huh. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. All right, so that's one thing for today. Maybe I want it to last 5 seconds when I hover over it and then it goes away. Well, let me see what the values are for this. Ease in, ease out, linear. I think I want it to ease out. It's literally not easing out. Like what? Ease out. Do I have to give it a value if it's ease out? Hmm. What if I do linear? Hmm. Ease in out. Interesting. Well, that's that. Um, is there anything else? I don't think so. Anyway, that's one thing. I want to do another thing though. So, I really did try to get like an SVG from here, but we have to pay, and I'm not paying. So, I wanted to do something where I could do like just a normal icon and it would be a path and I can animate it, but it's just not working. So, what am I gonna do? Huh. What color is this? So maybe something like this. And I can't download it as an SVG. I have to pay for that. What shall I do? Should I? Okay, maybe I should do icons free SVG. Oh, these are good. Cool. Why doesn't this ad move? Alright, I think these are pretty good. I just need, let me see, something that doesn't have the weird stuff. Is it just a phone that doesn't have any symbols? Oh, here. Okay. I don't need to download it. Actually, fine, I'll download it. Okay, so at this point, I'll go to my downloads and I'll just put it in my desktop and then I'll put it inside the SVG folder and then I'll go back to VS Code and I'll go here and select it, and now this is the code for it. Oh my god, this is crazy. Alright, what are they using? What's XML? Oh my god, wait, I remember XML. It's the original, I'm not even, okay, yeah, sure. Alright, so that's one thing. Then, let's see. So I'm gonna change this from, instead of being container, I'll do box 1, and then I'll have to do another box at the bottom over here, if I could ever get to it, and give it a class called box 2. That's not how you spelled it. And then paste that code in there, and then go back to my CSS and change container to be box 1 and box 1. Alright, and then now I have a box 2 also. So actually, they're supposed to be the same. Yeah, it's the same thing. So let me just go back and change it to just be box so that they have the same properties. Alright, and let me go back down, and then now just change it to just be box. Don't need to do that. And one box here. Okay, now I have 2. Perfect. What's one thing that is not? Oh, it's because 1 doesn't have anything. Alright, so the second one, I don't know why I'm not seeing it. Is it because I don't have like the XML stuff? I don't even see a path here. Where is it? Hmm. Oh, it's here. I still don't see it. Hmm. Oh, oh. So then this one would have to be hashtag box one. Oops. And then I would have to go and give it an ID of box one. And then I have to find where else it says over here. So it's going to be class box and then ID box 2. Alright. I just don't believe this is. Why does it? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I don't need that. Kappa. Like what? Path style. Oh, wait, at least it does have a path, but it's too many. And then this would be the same thing if it was box 2. Oh, no, 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 no. I'm so confused. Wait. Box 2. Box 1. That doesn't make sense, does it? If I hover over, it's literally the same thing. If I hover over box, hashtag box 1, but the visibility is set to hidden in the icon, and the icon, I'm so confused. Box, right? And then the box, but it's the box is a class. Bro, what? I'm so lost. I don't even know what I just did. Okay, let me think. I'm completely lost right now. Okay. So the div is box 1, but it also has a class box. Oh, it's not this. It's this that I wanted. So icon 1, and then I'll go back and do box 2. And I don't want this. I wanted this to be an ID of icon 2. All right, and then if I go back over here, this is going to be icon 1, and it's going to be icon 2. Hello? Oh, I forgot. Oops. Oh my god, this is a mess. Okay. And then over here, I don't even know what it was again. The visibility set to hidden, but of the icons. Oh, come on. Then I'll have to do... It's already set. I don't even know, man. Like, the second one isn't even showing up, so that's a problem. I just can't find SVGs that are good. Oh, so there are free ones? Are you serious? No, I wanted a phone. Oh, they have actually over here. Oh, okay. Okay, I could do this. Or could I do this one? I could do this one. And then I'll do something like maybe a bookmark. Okay, and then I'll download SVG. Yes. Oh, does it say free? Wait, did they say? There's no way. Are you serious? I could have done that in the other one. Are you serious? Great. This is great. Okay, SVG, download, and then I'll go to downloads and put that in desktop, and then go to desktop, and then put that in SVG, and then go to VS Code, and then there must be an easier way to do this because are you serious? This is not what I wanted, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. I was just like, whoa, what is this? But why? I don't even know. Okay. Go back here and instead of where's icon 2? Okay, so instead of all this jazz, let me just delete it. Okay. So I just have the box and then I'll paste that in here. And then this one, thank God it shows up, is going to be called ID icon 2. Ba-ba-bum, ba-da-bum-bum. All right, and then because both boxes are inside the body, there needs to be a gap of 1 EM. So there's spaces between that. Maybe 5, okay? And then I need to, how do I make it bigger? I'll have to literally individually like change the path, and I'm not doing that. So, I guess I'll just change the SVG, maybe box 2, or at least icon 2, to have a width of, I don't know, 300 pixels? Yeah, no. How do I make it bigger? Oh no, the way I make it bigger is by, okay, how to make SVG path bigger. Yes. Blah 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 blah. Okay. No. Okay. Oh yeah, the view box. I forgot about that. Spent an hour working on that a day ago. Um, ah. Hmm. I'm really lost right now. So I know that this is the X, this is the Y, and this is the width, and then this is the height. So if I want it to be 50, 50, and then, but why is it like that? Just tell me, because I would love to know. All right, hold up. So hashtag icon 2, border 5 pixels black, solid lined border. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so I need to make that real big. So I don't even know. So that gets it out of there. So maybe have this be 250, 240, whatever. Oh, it's because it's 24 pixels. Why is it 24 pixels? I don't want it to be 24 pixels. I want it to be 100% of its relative, which is box 2. There we go. And then there's also a problem. What was this? Was it 10? 10, 0, 0. Huh. Why does it do this to me? I don't understand. So rude, I tell you. Okay. Think, Starlight, think. Okay. Negative 10 would be the X. Are you serious? moves to the right. Okay, so I need to do like 10. And then the Y minimum, I do 5, becomes bigger, so -10. Are you serious? Huh. And then, are you serious? Honey, I am confused. I am confused. Oh my god. Sarai is confused. Sarai doesn't know what to do. Okay, let me think. Let me think. So how about I give each of the boxes, instead of a padding of 80 pixels, I just give minimum width of, nope. How about we do 250 and then this one 300? Right, and then we also do display flex, justify, content center, align items, center. Okay. Then the problema is that I still can't see the thing because this view box thing is literally so, oh, it's like I'm gonna cry. Okay, think, sorry, think. You did it yesterday, you could do it today. Okay, let me think. All right, so it's X, Y, then width and height. Like I don't even know why is there like 5,000 different widths? Like what is this? All right, if it's 0, 0, 10, 10, it's small. So how do I scale? And this one being 10 kind of moves it all the way to the left, which is good. And then this one maybe being 5 goes to the top, but that's too much to the top. But then but it's taking up the full thing, which is a problem. Like, I don't even know, what is it even looking like at this point? I forgot what it looks like. Right, so it's literally so bad. It's so bad. Defines a coordinate system 100 units wide and 100 units high, so it only goes to 100. In other words, if your SVG contains a circle centered in the graphic with radius of 50 pixels, it would fill up the height or width of the SVG image. If my SVG contains a circle centered in the graphic with a radius of 50 pixels, it would fill up the height or width of the SVG image, and the image was displayed full screen. Oh, interesting. So I just need to make it equivalent. So it needs to be like 100. So um if I do 100 pixels and I do 100 pixels and then I do 0, 0 and then 100, 100, it would take up the full size of the screen. Makes sense. But then, so, oh, I have to do math. How horrid. Okay, so if the width and height is 100, and if I double that, it wouldn't make sense because it still goes up to 100. So if I do 200, 200, it doesn't still take up, actually it does get bigger though, but it's not where I want it to be. Maybe I just need to give icon 2 a display of flex, justify, content, center, align items center. Why not? Because this is an SVG, is that why? This is so depressing. Okay, let me think. All right, let me think. So almost the same view, but cropped in by 5%. Let's see. Wait, because it's an image. Am I dumb? It's an image, right? So, oh, oh. So I could do box 2, because it's inside box 2, right? What's object fit? Object fit is no, I said cover, right? So maybe if it's not box, oh, I didn't have box 2. Do I have icon 2? I don't have a box 2 anymore, right? I have icon 2 and icon 1. Bro, I am so confused right now. I don't have an icon 1. There we go. Okay. And then this would have to be the same for icon 2. That is gonna hide everything, and I don't need that right now. So hold on, because I still need to work things out. Let me comment that out. Oops, wrong way. What the? Okay. Um, Let me think. If it's not icon 2, then would it be box? Nope. No. Would it be? Oh yeah, would it be box? Oh, this is literally so annoying. Okay, let me think. How to scale SVG to fit within a certain size without distorting the image. I mean, the whole point of an SVG is so that it doesn't distort. So I'm not understanding here. Like, what? Yes. How do you do that? Use image auto sizing. When an SVG file has a view box and it is divided with MG. Where is that? I don't see an image though. Where's the SVG? Hmm. Do I do this for the SVG or what? Girly is confused. No, because then it's not really a background image because it's SVG, but then maybe I could still use those properties. Let me see. Can I never spell? Oh my god. Okay. What is it? Hashtag icon? Are you kidding me? What is this? Command prompt? Okay, put that there. This obviously shouldn't go there. It just doesn't make sense. It literally doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense at all. This is not helping. Or maybe it's because I'm not even reading. Use the inline SVG and the latest blink fire. Are you kidding me? I'm not doing this. This is so stressful. Padding bottom 92%. Scaling SVG 00, 60, 55. What does this even mean? I give up. I'm gonna probably not. I'm gonna work on this tomorrow and kind of maybe, do a little expiration day on viewport. I don't give up. I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. So maybe give it one more try. 40, 40, so 40%. So whatever it is should be the same height. But it only reaches up to 100, which is what irks me. Like, what? That doesn't make sense. So if I say I want icon to, which box has which? So 300 to 50, then wouldn't it be 300 to 50? Girly is literally confused. Girly is confused because what the heck is this? Like, someone tell me because I would love to know. Oh my god. Right, and if I do like 10, it would go to the left, right? That just doesn't make sense to me. And if I decrease this to be 100, 100, and get bigger. So then what about 50, then 50? Ah, so now it's working. Great. It was like that in the beginning. 20, 20. Okay. There we go. Was that so hard? Yes. I love how... Never mind. Alright, but then I still want it to be the center. That's not in the center. So, oh, I could just do, like, maybe 3 to move it to the right. And then, are you serious right now? -3. Alright, and then to bring it down, I could do, oh my god, -3. Okay, now it's at the center. Alright, oh my god, see? I don't understand how this happens. Like, I literally just said I was gonna give up, and then this happens. Like, I don't understand. Like, is that what I have to do? Like, give up, and then I'll get a solution? Like, what? Okay. So now I can go here, delete this. I don't need that. And then I can go here. And then now, shall it work? Shall it not? Nope. Yes, no, yes, no. Great. Okay. Um, So icon 1, right, is the SVG, and it's supposed to visibility hidden. Why would I do this if it's the same thing? It's when I hover over the container that I want it to happen. And so the container would be the box, but it's going to have its own thing. There we go. But then that's a problem because I can't. Oh yeah. And then over here, if it's dot box, I hover over it, then icon 2 pops up. There we go. But I don't, I wonder why it's not, if I hover over this one isn't showing up. Because, why? Box hover, then only icon 1, but then if I box hover, icon 2 also. Oh well. Anyway, that's it for today. I did 2 different kind of types of SVG. Not really. This is just a different format. What is that line doing there? I'm done. I cannot even. Did you see that line? Look at that line. Oh my god, am I seeing things? There was a line there. Look, there's a line. when it disappears. There's literally a line. Okay, I'm not going crazy. I know I saw that line. All right. Okay. That's it for today. I literally cannot do this anymore. I want to just go and eat cake. See, there's a line. It's right there. It's right there. Yeah, I'm not going crazy. Okay. So tomorrow, I think I really need a crash course on Viewport because girl knows nothing about it. Which one helped me? This? I don't even know. Okay, let me, well, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Bye.